Hello students, welcome to UGC Antoinette Revision Course Series for Paper 1 Teaching and Research Aptitude. In this video, I am going to conduct quick revision through quiz of previous year question paper. Because through previous year question paper, you can know the pattern of the question paper as well as you can do the preparation for upcoming exam in a well manner. I have also uploaded videos related to UGC Anti-Net Revision Course Series for Political Science. My channel provides study materials for school exams as well as competitive exams. My channel is very helpful for you. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my new videos. Let us start the quiz. Be ready with pen and notebook for evaluating your score or preparation status. First question is, in doing action research, what is the usual sequence of steps? Options are given here. You have to choose the correct option. What is the correct option? The correct option is plan, act, observe, reflect. Next question is, in which of the following reporting format is formally prescribed? The correct option is doctoral level thesis. Effective communication presupposes. Options are understanding, domination, non-alignment, passivity. The correct option is understanding. The typical feature of information-rich classroom lecture is in nature of being. Options are given here. You have to select the correct option. What is the correct option? The correct option is factual. Expressive communication is driven by. The answer is encoders personality characteristics. The missing term in the series 1, 4, 27, 16, then 36 to 43. Options are 81, 49, 125, 30. What is the correct option? The correct option is 125. If A is coded as C, M as I, N as P, S as O, I as A, P as N, E as M, O as E, and C as S, then the code of companies will be. Do fast. The correct option is SEINCPAMO. Among the following, identify the continuous type of data. The correct option is weight of students in a class. This is the continuous type of data. Effectiveness of teaching has to be judged in terms of. Options are given here. What is the correct option? The correct option is learning outcomes of students. In which teaching method learners' participation is made optimal and proactive? The answer is project method. In project method, learners' participation is made optimal and proactive. One of the most powerful factors affecting teaching effectiveness is related to the educational system. The process of copying files to a CD-ROM is known as, options are given here. Select the correct option. The correct option is burning. An unsolicited email message sent to many recipients at once is a virus, worm, spam, threat. What is the correct option? The correct option is spam. If the binary equivalent of the decimal number 48 is 110000, then the binary equivalent to the decimal number 51 is given by 110011. Is a type of memory circuitry that holds the computer's startup routine. Options are given here. Find out the correct option. The correct option is ROM, read only memory. The National Judicial Appointments Commission (NJAC) has been declared unconstitutional by the answer is the Supreme Court of India. The format of thesis writing is the same as in the answer is a research dissertation. Which of the following is an initial mandatory requirement for pursuing research? Options are given here. What is the correct option? The correct option is formulating a research question. It is mandatory for starting any research. What are the barriers to effective communication? The answer is moralizing, being judgmental, and comments of consolation. The choice of communication partners is influenced by factors of the answer is proximity, utility, loneliness. Every communicator has to experience. The answer is anticipatory excitement. Identify the important element a teacher has to take cognizance of while addressing students in a classroom. The correct option is voice modulation. Now solve the question with the help of pen paper. A person walks 10 meters in front and 10 meters to the right. Then every time turning to his left, he walks 5, 15 and 15 meters respectively. How far is he from his starting point? 15 meter, 10 meter, 20 meter, 5 meter. The correct option is 5 meter. Now the question is, A is sister of B, F is daughter of G, C is mother of B, D is father of C, E is mother of D, A is related to DS, For solving this question, you have to draw the diagram of family relations. Options are given here. What is the correct option? The correct option is granddaughter. Again, you have to solve the question through the help of pen and paper. In the series AB, EDC, FGHI, then blank and blank, OPQRST, the missing term is, this is the letter series question. What is the correct option? The correct option is NMLKJ. In certain code, selection is coded as QCJCARGML. The code of Americans will be, options are given here. This is also the letter series question. The correct option is YKCPGAYLQ. This is the number series question. You have to find out the pattern. In the series 3, 11, 23, 39, 59. The next term will be 63, 73, 83, 93. The correct option is 83. To suppose that the Earth is the only populated world in the infinite space is as absurd as to assert that in an entire field of millet only one grain will grow. The correct option is analogical. Select the code which is not correct about Venn diagram. What is the correct option? It can be either valid or invalid. This is incorrect about Venn diagram. The next term in the series B2E D5H F12K H27N. The correct option is J58Q. P and Q are brothers. R and S are sisters. The son of P is brother of S. Q is related to R as uncle, father, brother, son. What is the correct option? The correct option is uncle. A cluster of propositions with a structure that exhibits some inference is called an argument, an inference, a valid argument, an explanation. An argument. A definition that has a meaning that is deliberately assigned to some symbol is called stipulative. Which of the following is an open source software? The answer is Mozilla Firefox. In a computer, a byte generally consists of 4 bits, 8 bits, 16 bits, 10 bits. The answer is 8 bits. Which of the following enables us to send the same letter to different persons in MS Word? Mail merge, mail join, mail copy, mail insert. The answer is mail merge. Which of the following phenomena is not a natural hazard? The answer is chemical contamination. It is not a natural hazard. Which of the following is the highest level of cognitive ability? Options are understanding, analyzing, knowing, evaluating. The correct option is evaluating. Which of the following factors does not impact teaching? What is the correct option? The correct option is socio-economic background of teachers and students. The socio-economic background of teachers and students never impact teaching. Achievement tests are commonly used for the purpose of accessing the amount of learning after teaching. Jean Piaget gave a theory of cognitive development of humans on the basis of his. The answer is fundamental research. The term grapevine is also known as. Options are given here. What is the correct option? The correct option is informal communication. Which of the following is not a principle of effective communication? Options are given here. What is the correct option? The correct option is one-way transfer of information. One-way transfer of information is not a principle of effective communication. Now again number series. The next term in the series is 2, 5, 9, 19, 37. Options are 75, 73, 78, 80. The correct option is 75. In communication, the language is intrapersonal, the symbolic code, the verbal code, the non-verbal code. The correct option is the verbal code. In certain code, Mathura is coded as JXQEROX. The code of hotels will be. The answer is ELQVIP. A girl introduced a boy as a son of the daughter of the father of her uncle. The boy is related to the girl as brother, uncle, nephew, son. What is the correct option? The correct option is brother. If you want to seek new knowledge of facts about the world, we must rely on reason of the type. The answer is inductive. Now, inductive reasoning is grounded on. The answer is uniformity of nature, which is an instant messenger that is used for chatting. The answer is Google Talk. Please like, share and subscribe.